Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we will learn how you can add social share buttons on WooCommerce websites. Let's get started. For business, sharing on social media is an important part for selling products. Social media lets them engage or reach more people and bring traffic and potential customers to shopping or business website. Social media offers wider radar and helps build brand awareness while being cost effective. That is why social media is an important part of small businesses. Now let's see how we can add social media buttons on our product page. For that, head over to Dashboard, go to Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for 𝗀𝗂𝗃𝗃 Social Share. Click on Install Now. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. And click on Activate. Now go to the settings, click on Settings, and here you can see we can change how our icon would look like. For example, if you want a square or a rectangle, for now we will go with round, and we can choose the size. We can change the logo color as well, and what the color will be when we hover over it. For now I will leave it all on the default settings. And here we can change the floating interface theme. Now let's head over to standard interface. Make sure to enable standard sharing interface and click on URL of the web page where icons are located. We're going to change the title. Since we are adding this to our products page, we will go with that. And we will choose which social media platform we want to share on. For example, I want to go with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, and I don't want any other. Now you can choose any of the social media platforms that you wish for. Now here we will choose where our social icons will appear. For me, this will be WooCommerce product page, and I will uncheck all these. You can choose whichever you want, and we will uncheck this more icon. Click on Save Changes. Now let's see what our website looks like. We'll head over to a product, and as you can see, social icons have appeared. Now let's get back to our dashboard. Go to the plugin once again. Click on floating interface. Now floating interface is when we want to enable our social icons on home page. So we want to enable social icons as a sidebar. enable social floating sharing. Click on where we will add it. And click on Save Changes. Now as you can see, our social icons have appeared as a sidebar. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.